Hey, Kathleen here. I am reviewing these colored pencils and this coloring book. We've had the colored pencils for a little while. My granddaughter loves them. I love them. And sometimes we even color together actually in the same book, sometimes different books. But these are absolutely beautiful. They color up beautifully, which I'll show you in a second. But there's 24 in here, all with a little slotted spot for each one of them so they don't kind of run into each other. And then this coloring book, I folded it back, which is why it's kind of like that. But she and I were working on this last night, so you know, you can see a little bit where she did some of the coloring, but really beautiful, vibrant colors for these colored pencils. And this Calmness coloring book, I'm like, I just need a Calmness coloring book to have when she's coloring and she wants me to color with her instead of me coloring in her big, huge kid thing. I'm like, oh, this would be really nice. And these pages are really nicely made. These are not bright white. They are more paperish than they're not as thick. But they're absolutely fine. I love them. And I just do love how soothing they are. They're not too busy. They are calming, and that's what I was looking for. Some are busier than others, but it just depends on how I'm feeling that day, which one I might choose. But this is the one I chose most recently, and she was curious as to why I was doing so many colors, and she got really into it. Once I'm like, okay, you color orange here and you color yellow here, and yeah, it was really nice, and I really like this. I think it will be a good fit for us when we're coloring together.